Aquarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong March 2026. So this is a general reading, so pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates, and another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Lahat ng information nandyan na, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Yung link nasa description or sa comment section. Okay, let's see. Aquarius. What is the energy for you, kaperahan, for Aquarius? Okay, you have Canas, you have Ihwas, and Uthila. Okay, so some of you, maaring meron kayong mga issues na kailangang bigyan ng focus and attention pagdating sa family. Maaring merong needs para sa family or sa home life ninyo, family life. Some of you pwedeng merong mga reunion. So, syempre, pag may mga reunion, gastos, di ba? Or yung iba naman, meron kayong kailangang pag-usapan related sa mga ari-arian ng family. Pwedeng may pag-uusapan tungkol sa mana or sa lupa, bahay, ganyan, or gamit sa bahay na kung kanino yon mapupunta. Oo. So, there's also new beginnings, rebirth, and ito kasing rebirth na to, syempre, bago magkaroon ng new beginnings, merong endings. So, some of you, pwedeng may paglipat ng bahay, no? So, lilipat kayo ng tinitirhan nyo, or, you're going to move to a new city, or a new place, or a new job, or a new career. Canas is about your creativity, your passion. So, I think you're going to explore your creative talents, your skills, what you are passionate about, and this will bring you growth, no, sa career mo. Kasi mas magagamit mo ngayon yung talento mo, 'di ba? Okay, let's see what else for Aquarius. Divine guidance. Oh, you are divinely guided in your path. Some of you, pwedeng ito yung, kumbaga itong pagbabago na to is long overdue, na kumbaga dati pa tong dapat sana nagsimula, pero hindi mo pinapansin. So, ngayon mo lang napansin. You are also going to improve your looks, your physical appearance, yan. So, maaring iba sa inyo, you will, yung styling ninyo, pananamit nyo, you're going to improve that, kasi parang meron kang gustong impression na you want to make a good impression. O, diba? With a glamour. So, I also see you na mas magiging, kayong kapansin-pansin. O, pwedeng sa trabaho, mapapansin nila na, uy, nag-glow ka. May glow up. O, maaring makaka-attract ka rin ng mga, admirers. Lalo na kung ang career mo related sa, makeup, or related sa beauty products, or anything that, improves something. Improving aesthetics. Parang ganyan. Okay? Let's see what else. You have the 6 of Cups, the 5 of Swords. Alam niyo yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong opportunity na darating or babalik, na dati mong sinubukan pero hindi nag-work for you. So, ngayon, may chance ka na balikan. Oo. Dating trabaho na dati sinubukan mo, nag-apply ka, hindi ka natanggap, o kaya hindi natuloy for some reasons, may mga sagabal. At ngayon, finally, may opportunity for you na i-explore yon. You have the 7 of Pentacles and the 3 of Cups. I also see here na parang sa mga taong nakakasama mo sa workplace, whether this is a business mo, your own business, or sa company that you are working for, it seems na parang naisip mo na bakit sila nagiging very competitive sa'yo. Na wala ka namang balak makipagkompetensya sa kanila, but you feel like parang lahat ng ginagawa mo gusto nilang tapatan. Kasi mas nangingibabaw ka. Oo, mas ikaw ang napapansin. You also have the moon. So, there's an energy here na parang may parang malungkot na energy when it comes to your situation sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. Parang may longingness. Parang feeling mo may kulang. Merong something na gusto mong subukan or i-explore, pero may mga times na parang hindi mo alam kung ano yun. So, it's like you want to explore the unknown. Oo. Na pwedeng part ng creative talents and skills mo, or pwede ring you are being called to be a light worker. Like, yung tipong nasa spirituality. But, iniisip mo na, ay, parang hindi naman yun work or hindi naman yun career path. Well, it is a career. Like, for example, ako, this is already my career. I've been doing this for almost 6 years na. 'Di ba? So, 'di ba? Yun lang. It is a career. So, if yung iba sa inyo may calling talaga na to be a spiritual healer or spiritual leader, anything to do with spirituality. So, if you're interested doon, then explore. Subukan mo. You will also have this financial freedom kasi mag-i-increase ka ng income mo. Yung source of income mo. Okay? So, I think this is part of the expansion or exploration na gagawin mo. You will also have flexibility pagdating sa trabaho. Na maaring pipili ka ng career path na kung saan hawak mo yung oras mo, kung kailan mo gusto magtrabaho, kailan mo gusto magpahinga. So, yung iba sa inyo, this can be self-employment or having your own business. You know, being creative. Kasi sa creative area talaga siya, mas may flexibility. Although, kahit na tipong hawak mo yung oras mo, still, it doesn't mean na kailangan maging tamad ka na kasi. Kasi hawak mo yung oras mo. Hindi. Ibig sabihin nun, meron ka lang control kung kailan ka magwo-work. 'Di ba? But if you need to work, you will definitely work to the point na parang ayaw mo nang tumigil, parang ganon. Na minsan nagiging workaholic ka. So you will also take control of your debts. Kung meron kang mga utang, ayusin mo, unti-unti babayaran mo. You will prioritize yung mga malalaking ang interest para yun muna yung maunang mawala. Ayan. And kung wala ka namang utang, iiwasan mo yung mangutang. Para mas maging stable yung flow ng finances mo ngayong March. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.